This door's a really solid piece of kit. Its strength comes from its thickness, a double steel skin, polyurethane core. Our 3D hinges mean that you can adjust upwards and downwards, left and right, backwards and forwards. This makes installation a breeze. The customisable features of the door mean that you can have a contrasting frame. This comes with 50/50 hinges. Alternatively, we can go with a complete colour match. Frame, hinges and door leaf. Here we have the classic stainless steel lever handle. Functionality at its finest. We then move to the super contemporary D handle. This now accessible for all the family and robust. Taking your door to the bespoke element, here we find a bling window. These are available in a multitude of different designs, and we see the clear glazing. Whilst this is a traditional door with traditional window, you can see the satin effect on the glazing. This is when privacy is key. The stays are really easy to engage. They're also really easy to disengage. Just push the door past the opening and then release. The stays provide great functionality, but remember, never on a windy day and never leave an open door unattended. Easy action flush belts, an adjustable plate gives you the perfect fit. Here we see our standard lock, latch, double throw. But for that extra peace of mind, here we have a 3-point lock, latch, centre lock, top lock and bottom lock. Courtesy thumb turn on the inside provides easy exit. Security keys mean no unauthorised copying. Our ramp threshold provides great access for vehicular and pedestrians. This bulb seal helps to improve the weather resistance. Great addition. As the functionality of our home changes, so does the use of our garage door. It becomes more pedestrianised. Strong, secure, reliable, our door is the perfect choice for your investment.